Marks 1 year since the Supreme Court's Dobbs decision, which overturned Roe v. Wade, allowing states to ban abortion. And on the year, people on both sides across the country are gathering to make their voices heard. Since the Supreme Court ended the constitutional right to abortion, 15 states have passed severely limiting access to reproductive care, leaving women in those states with few options.
We will never rest and never relent until we restore the sanctity of life to the center of American law in every state in the land.
Each one of you demonstrates what we already knew. The people of this country believe in abortion access for all of us and are ready to stand and fight for it.
President Biden signed a new, largely symbolic executive order calling on federal agencies to expand access to contraception. In a statement, the president says the overturning of Roe v. Wade has already had devastating consequences, saying abortion bans have put the health and lives of women in jeopardy. He is calling on Congress to act to restore the protections of Roe v. Wade. Now, here in Kentucky, the fight continues. The Commonwealth is one of the states with a trigger law on the books, which outright banned abortion except in instances to save the mother's life. WHAS 11 Night Team's Taylor Woods and photojournalist Elijah McKenzie have a look back on the year it's been.
1 year ago, hundreds of Kentuckians took to the streets in protest of the U.S. Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade. For Kentucky, its impact was immediate as the state's trigger law took effect, banning abortion in most cases. For the pro-life side, it marked a victory decades in the making.
And a victory for human life, for unborn children, and for the rule of law.
Saturday, Democratic Congressman Morgan McGarvey discussed how reproductive rights for women have been taken away.
The results have been dramatic, they have been drastic, they have been devastating. Right now in Kentucky, no woman can receive an abortion, even in cases of rape or incest.
The Family Foundation wants to see continued support to protect unborn life.
Moving forward to provide women and families the resources that they need to raise their children.
McGarvey added the work does not stop here. He's part of a group to push the Women's Health Protection Act to help women get safe access to abortion care.
We filed a motion this week to push that bill forward to make sure it gets a vote on the House floor. We need just a few Republicans to join us in that effort.
One lawsuit challenging the Kentucky abortion ban has been withdrawn so far.
And whether or not they want to participate in a high-profile lawsuit in this climate, it's very difficult to find that person to come forward.
However, Planned Parenthood is reminding Kentuckians they are not going anywhere.
These doors stay open. Through thick and thin, we will be fighting for the future we know is possible.
Ultimately, we want to move towards a society where abortion is just unthinkable, and that each and every unborn child is welcomed into this world as a blessing.
A historic decision 1 year ago today, motivating both sides to keep on fighting. In Louisville, Taylor Woods, WHAS 11 on your side.